drop ball by the setter. Jim Black looking for set. Komi. Jaden trying to bounce back. Jim, the pass. Joseph misreceive. Appeal trying to save. Jaden again. Chance ball. Wayward. Jim, drop ball. Saved by Jaden. A good rally. Jaden. Still a good ball. Tukay. Outside. Survey, appeal, float ball, misreceive, Jim Black trying to save, Komi, a hard ball, received by Joseph, but it's a bit out. Score, all one. Serving, Jim Black, PDG organizer, misreceive. Jobs, a float ball, Emer is received, Kobe trying now, good ball by Joseph, Jaden, set in four, touch out. Serving jersey number 7, Jobs, received by Waylon, is received, not over. Score, 4-1. Jocks looking for a serve. But a good serve. Misreceive. Komi, set in the middle. Also not over. 4-0-1. Jocks still in service, trying to catch breath. Waylon. Good receive, but no connection from the setter. Score, 6-1. Seems it's a fast game. Jocks looking for a target. Waylon, misreceive again. A chance ball. Set in 4. Jaden. The setter. Mayo, drop ball. So smooth, like a mayonnaise. Jock serving. A top ball, third ball, with good ball by Komi. Komi approaching now. Good spike. Sir Branson. Not over. Serving, Mayo. Good serve, good receive. Fast ball drop, and a score. Score, 8-3. Komi is serving. Is it going to be an in or out? Oh, it's in ball. Mayo, good receive. Jaden approaching, a blank ball. Saved by Joseph, 4, a high ball. Saved by Jim, Waylon, set to no one. Drop ball, a pit, to Jock, drop ball. Trying to save, but a bit out. Open. Jersey number 24, Jaden from Clan. Received by Komi. Pass. Good ball. 2 touches violation. Emer serving. Dribbling the ball, looking for target. Release the ball. Float. Mayo to receive for nice play. Ball in. Score 10-4 in favor of Jaden's team. Kiyo wearing Philippines jersey. Dribbling the ball, release another flow. Tommy, receive. Save by 24. Jim. Still a good ball, playable. Waylon, Jim, to open. Nice fight. No touch from the blockers. Service, Waylon. Jersey number 6. Release, Jaden is received. Appeal to Joseph, one touch. Jim now, looking for a play, drop ball. Nice drop. Like a pro. Drop like a veteran who's playing 27 years now. Service, Waylon. Mayo misreceived, no one was there. Save by drop. Theo, throw it away. Nice play. No blocker. Same server, Waylon. Not over. Score 11-7 in favor of Jaden's team. Service middle. Service. Shows up. Number 9. It's out, but they took it. Waylon for chance. No attempt. Score 12-7. Joseph again. Wearing jersey number 9. A float ball. Good receive. Pass. Disconnect. Service. A jump serve. Not over. 13-8. Jersey number 27, serving. A float, good receive by Joseph. A feed. Good adjust. Open. Appear, serving. Easy ball. Emmer, the Jim, Tommy. Another spike. Jim Black serving. Good receive by Joseph. Mayo. Good spike. And the point. Jock serving. Bad receive, Bobby. Black ball. No one is there to save the ball. Score 69. Serving number 7. Jock. Hard ball. Waylon. Drop ball. Bobby again. Good ball. Good receive by Joseph. Trying to turn over. Jaden. Waylon. No play. Oh, fight. Still a good play. Top ball. Jim Black to 4. Outside. Job serving. Brandon serving. Good serve, Joseph, Tumayo and 4. Outside. Brandon, serving. A float ball is received by Mayo, but still playable. Jaden in approach. Jim Black to open. Komi, not over. Score, 18-11. In favor of Jaden Steele. Mayo serving. Float ball. Brandon, good receive. To quick. Black ball. Mayo serving. Tommy serving. Good serve. Over receive, but still a set. Turnover. Mayo, who's there? Be there. Drop ball. Still playable. Brandon for a chance. Joseph. Jobs. Where it is. Jaden. Top ball. Jim Black. Still playable. Jobs to 4. Top ball. Good receive by Tommy. Still a good ball. Jim looking for a play. Opposite. Still a save. Save by a piece. Jaden. Transition ball. Tommy. Loose ball. Set to pass. Let's receive. Kobe. Mayo to open. Jaden. Put it in. 20-13. Jaden serving. Jim, nice at the open. Good try on blocking, but it's a bit short. South lang. Emmer serving. A beat, good receive. 4. Black ball. Emmer serving. It's received by a pin. Score 2016. Emmer, a float ball. Miscommunication, no one is there. Apit is losing the game. Substitution ref. Emmer serving. Received by Jaden. Apit now trying, top ball. Good ball by Waylon. Set to open. Open trying, one touch. Jaden. Jobs. Where it is. Middle, drop ball. A block. Another try. Apit, chance ball. Waylon. Too fast. Good by Mayo. Over receive. Score 2018. Emmer serving. No jersey number. Float ball is received by Jaden. Try it 4, 2 times. Chance. Open again. Check out. The lead is now 1 point away. Emmer serving. Good serve, over receive, and a drop ball. We are now tied at 20. Score all 20. Ever still in the service area. Serving. Good serve. Mayo to floor. Not over. Now the papers change. G Black Augustine is leading. Ever serving. Dribbling the ball. Releases outside. 21 all. Jim Black looks dribbling. Nice one. 22-21. Waylon, jersey number 6, serving. Jaden to a beat with angry pace again, but still a good ball open, not over. Jersey number 9, Violet, shows up. A float ball. A misreceive. Comics try to set. Chance ball. Kio. Tumio. Outside. Score, huh? 23-22. Jersey number 23, Joseph, misreceived. Kio. High ball. A nice spike. With the anger face, now she's smiling. Hey, service. Service now kasi get a point. All 23. Jersey number 10, a pit. Float ball, Ever. Nice play! Last warning. 24-23. Is Jim gonna finish the game or we will have a juice 2? Juice 2 outside. Drop serving. Jersey number 7 from Initial. Waylon, good receive. In 4, Ever black ball. Serving. Win it again. A bit tight, Tommy. Top ball. A bit. Save the ball. Jaden. Top ball. Trying a turnover. In a pass. Inside. Juice 2 again. Brandon serving. Brandon without jersey number. A pit. Mayo now in 4. Not over. We're gonna finish the game or we'll have another juice too. Brandon serving. A safe serve. A pit to Jaden. One touch, saved by no one. Another juice too. Serving. Brandon, good receive, to pass, drop ball, still a good ball. Mayo set to open, Jaden top. Brandon again, over receive, inside. The tide has turned. Now in favor. Kate Jaden's team. Mayo serving. Not over. Another juice too. All 27. We're still gonna finish this game. Kwame serving. Deep breath. and an out. Gian serving, jersey number 24 for Clan. Safe serve. Jeep to Ever. Ever tap ball. Good save by Mayo. Open. A beat tap ball again. Kobe. Jim Black to open. Still a good ball by Mayo. Tap ball. And that's it. Game ball. Nice game. Shake hands, players. Protocol PS.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want, and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like